Your smartphone stores valuable data every day, from contacts and messages to apps and personal files. Having a reliable backup and restore app ensures that your important information stays safe and can be recovered whenever you switch devices or experience unexpected data loss. In this video, we'll explore some of the best backup and restore apps for Android that offer secure backups, easy recovery, and convenient data management features. Let's get started. SMS Backup Restore. SMS Backup Restore is one of the most trusted Android backup applications, designed specifically for backing up and restoring SMS messages, MMS messages, and call logs. The app allows users to securely save important communication data before switching devices, performing a factory reset, or upgrading their smartphones. Its simple and user-friendly interface makes the backup process quick and accessible, even for users with little technical experience. The application supports automatic scheduled backups, allowing users to create regular backups without manual intervention. Backup files can be stored locally on the device or uploaded to popular cloud storage services such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive for added security. Users can also selectively restore specific conversations or call logs instead of recovering the entire backup, providing greater flexibility during the restoration process. SMS Backup Restore is optimized for reliable performance and fast data processing while maintaining excellent compatibility across modern Android devices. Regular updates continue improving security, cloud integration, and overall stability. With its dependable backup features and easy restoration process, it remains one of the best backup apps for protecting important messages and call history. E2 PDF SMS Call Backup Restore. E2 PDF SMS Call Backup Restore is a versatile Android backup application that focuses on protecting important personal data by converting it into easy-to-read PDF documents. In addition to backing up SMS messages and call logs, the app also supports contacts, call history, and other personal information, making it a useful solution for creating organized digital records. Its straightforward interface allows users to generate backups with only a few taps. One of the app's unique features is its ability to export messages, contacts, and call logs into PDF or XML formats, making the information easy to archive, print, or share when necessary. Users can also schedule automatic backups to ensure important communication data is regularly protected without requiring manual action. These flexible export options make the app valuable for both personal documentation and professional record-keeping. E2 PDF SMS Call Backup Restore delivers reliable performance while maintaining broad compatibility with various Android devices. Frequent updates improve export quality, enhance backup stability, and expand compatibility with newer Android versions. Its combination of backup functionality and document export features makes it one of the most practical backup applications available for Android. All Backup Restore. All Backup Restore is a comprehensive Android backup application designed to help users protect a wide range of personal data, including contacts, SMS messages, call logs, applications, calendars, and more. The app simplifies the process of creating complete backups, making it especially useful when upgrading to a new device or recovering information after a factory reset. Its clean interface allows users to select exactly which data they want to back up or restore. The application supports local backups as well as external storage options, allowing users to safely store backup files on SD cards or other storage devices. It also provides selective restoration, enabling users to recover only the specific files or data categories they need instead of restoring everything at once. This flexibility makes managing backups much more convenient and efficient. All Backup Restore is optimized for fast backup performance and efficient storage management. Regular software updates continue improving compatibility with modern Android devices while enhancing backup reliability and data protection. With its broad backup capabilities and easy-to-use design, it is an excellent solution for safeguarding important Android data. Super Backup Restore. Super Backup Restore is one of the most popular Android backup applications, offering a fast and reliable way to back up and restore important mobile data. The app supports a variety of data types, including contacts, SMS messages, call logs, calendars, applications, bookmarks, and more, making it a complete backup solution for everyday Android users. Its lightweight design ensures smooth performance without consuming excessive system resources. The application allows users to create manual or scheduled backups and store them either on internal storage, SD cards, or supported cloud storage services. Users can also restore selected data individually, making it easy to recover only the information they actually need. Fast backup speeds and simple navigation make the app suitable for both beginners and experienced Android users. Super Backup Restore receives regular updates that improve compatibility, security, and backup efficiency across newer Android versions. Its combination of speed, flexibility, and comprehensive backup support makes it one of the best backup and restore apps available for Android devices. Swift Backup. Swift Backup is a powerful Android backup application designed for users who want advanced backup capabilities with modern cloud integration. The app supports backing up applications, app data, SMS messages, call logs, wallpapers, and various system settings, making it ideal for users who frequently switch devices or install custom ROMs. Its elegant interface and fast processing provide a smooth and professional backup experience. One of Swift Backup's biggest strengths is its support for cloud backup services, allowing users to securely store their backups on platforms such as Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and other supported cloud storage providers. On supported devices with root access, the app can also back up complete application data, making it easier to restore apps exactly as they were before. Scheduled backups help ensure important information is always protected automatically. Swift Backup is regularly updated with new features, improved Android compatibility, and enhanced security measures. Its combination of fast performance, cloud synchronization, advanced backup options, and reliable restoration tools makes it one of the best backup and restore apps available for Android users who want a complete and dependable data protection solution. Those are our picks for the best backup and restore apps for Android. Each app provides useful tools to protect your important data and restore it quickly whenever you need it, giving you greater peace of mind. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android app recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.